Hello, it's Deb from Deb's Digital Tips again, and I have one other gift that I'm really starting to like as well. I told you last time about desk calendars and making calendars in Artisan, but there's one other really cool, really simple, quick thing that I've started doing as well. The Panstoria print shop that is connected to your Artisan software also has quite a few cool photo gifts, and I know I've blogged about this a little bit before, but my favorite thing, I did this last year for my mother-in-law, and I didn't actually get to see the finished product. So this year I made one for me too. And it is something I plan on doing each year now, so that she's got a collection of Christmas ornaments that will have our family each year. So I made one of these nice um, Benelux Christmas ornaments. And this is printed actually on metal. It's really solid and it's really cool. So you can, as you can see, do more than just Christmas ornaments here. They have personalized coasters and DVD cases and mouse pads and whatnot, photo mugs, and the list kind of goes on. There's actually quite a few cool things there, but what I'm going to show you today really quick is how to make a Christmas ornament. So I've got my Artisan software open, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. And when I go in here, I'm going to go down here to metal ornaments. And there's several different size options they've got. So you can actually just kind of pick whichever one you think looks the coolest. I think last year I did this Prague style, and this year I did the Benelux. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I click next, and I'm just going to make it blank for now because that's an easier way to start. None of these other um, styles, these other templates are going to work super well for what we're doing. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to go ahead and add a photo from my computer really quick so I've got something to work with. Go to my pictures and export, and I'll go ahead and pick, we're just going to say I'm going to pick one of these lovely pictures. It's a full family photo. So okay, and this is my example ornament. All right, so now let's say this is what you get. It's just showing you kind of the outline design, and I'm going to go ahead and drag my picture over here, and I'm going to size it so it fits. And you can see where the outline is there. So you kind of want to make everything fit in that outline. Ooh, let's see. And just to make sure I've got everything, I'm going to go to View and do Trimmed, and that just shows me what's going to print. So actually everybody's faces are in there now. That's really cool. So, but the other thing to note here, I didn't realize this last year, so I'm afraid my mother-in-law probably got a blank on the backside. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then there is you can print on the backside as well. So the cool thing about that, I just went ahead and said, okay, I'm going to choose some content here. Again, you know me, I like tags. I'm going to find Christmas stuff. Select that, and now I can pick from all of these nice little papers for my backgrounds. Needs to be something that's not too crazy. I wonder what this would look like as a background. I'm going to go ahead and tell it to make it the background. It's going to kind of distort it, but it looks like this kind of cool snowflake. But you can use anything that you've got. Since it's an ornament, I could actually make this one the background. See what that looks like. I liked the other one better. So I'm going to undo. And then all you really have to do is insert and grab some text. Yeah, I'm going to put it right there. So I'm going to hit create. And I'll say gotta make it a little bit bigger. But of course that's going to be dependent on what font I use. Because you know me, I don't like boring fonts. So we're going to go back and we're going to find something fun. Let's see. Well, we'll try this one. And we'll make this part of it much smaller. So there you go. Just something like that. You can play around with it. Certainly with fonts, you can spend a lot of time or a little bit of time. It's kind of up to you. But that would be my Christmas ornament for this year, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you have fun with this, and until the next time, enjoy.